Good morning, fellow futures traders. This is David on July 6th, Wednesday, July 6th. I already hit the ES here. I'll show you where I hit it. Just a little while ago. Yeah, I had two longs. Boom. And then I think I had a short. Was it earlier? Nope. That was it. Right there. So now I'll look at the ES after it's kind of slowed down. The time is 9:32. Let's try the 5 and 20. Sometimes that's more responsive after the open. Okay, do your thing. Come on.
Order filled. Order canceled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Okay. We're up 1,800 on that one. And 4,800, so I'm right at about 5. So see if we can catch it again.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on down, boys. Oops.
Order canceled.
Yay! The software was correct. Gave us a little wiggle.
Order canceled.
Okay, here we go. This one was 244, 4,000, so you're down to 4,600 roughly, 4,500, and do this every day, a month, 148,000. Do the NQ. 90%, 4,244. So you're down to about 380, and do that 122,000 a month. So yeah, the time is now 9:38. So that wasn't too bad. Okay, well that'll do it. 8,000. I like 10,000 a day, but I'm not gonna look a gift horse in the mouth. So all right, thank you for watching. I will keep making videos for you.